Welcome back. Today, we will learn more English words, starting with the letter R. These words are less basic, but very useful in real life. You will learn their meanings, Spanish translations, common collocations, and many practical examples to help you understand how they are used in natural English. Let's begin. Raccoon, a small animal with a black mask on its face. A raccoon looks for food in the trash at night. Racism, unfair treatment of people because of their race. Racism is a big problem in many countries. Race, a group of people with the same physical background. People of different races live together in the city. Rack, a frame to hold or hang things. He hangs his coat on the coat rack in the office. He puts the dishes on the dish rack. We often use rack with other words to show what it holds. For example, a luggage rack for bags, a shoe rack for shoes, a bike rack for bicycles, and a clothes rack for clothes. Luggage rack. He puts his suitcase on the luggage rack in the train. Shoe rack. She keeps all her sneakers on the shoe rack by the door. Bike rack. They lock their bikes to the bike rack outside the school. Clothes rack. The shop shows new jackets on the clothes rack. Roof rack. He ties the bags to the roof rack of the car before the trip. Raffle, a game where people buy tickets to win a prize. She wins a bike in the school raffle. Rafter, a wooden beam that supports a roof. The old house shows the wooden rafters inside the ceiling. Rag, a piece of old cloth used for cleaning. He cleans the table with a rag. Raise, to take care of a child or animal. She raises her 2 children alone. Ram, a male sheep. The ram runs across the field. Ramp, a slope that connects 2 levels. The wheelchair goes up the ramp easily. Ramp on, to enter a highway using a ramp. The car speeds up to ramp on the freeway. A freeway is a wide, fast road with many lanes and no traffic lights. Cars enter and exit using ramps, making it different from regular streets or highways. Random, without a plan or order. He picks a random number from the list. Range, the limits between 2 things. The shoes are in the price range of $40 to $60. Range can mean distance, like mountains that range from north to south. It can mean variety, like a shop with a wide range of shoes. And it can mean level, like a car in the medium price range. The mountains range from north to south. Mountain range, a long line of mountains. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. This shop has a wide range of shoes. The car is in the medium price range. Ranger, a person who protects a forest or park. The ranger tells tourists to stay on the trail. Ransom, money paid to free a kidnapped person. The criminals ask for ransom to release the hostage. Rapid, happening very fast. There is a rapid change in the weather today. Fast is the common word for speed, like a fast car or a fast runner. Rapid is more formal, and we use it for changes or progress, like a rapid recovery or rapid growth. Rapids, fast-moving part of a river. They go rafting on the river rapids during the summer trip. Rash, of events. Many things happening suddenly. A rash of accidents occurs on the icy roads. Recent, something that happened not long ago. They talk about recent news in the meeting. Recession, a time when the economy is bad. Many people lose jobs during a recession. Rate, a measured amount. The hotel has a low room rate, which means the price you pay for one night is not expensive. The plumber charges an hourly rate of $30. Rate? To think something is good or bad? I rate this movie 5 stars. Rate: the speed at which something happens, changes, or develops. The heart rate increases after running. Rate: a measure or amount that is used to compare, calculate, or show how often something happens over a period of time. The birth rate is increasing. Interest rates are very high this year. The success rate was 68%. Rating: a score given to something. The hotel has a 5-star rating. A good credit rating can help you get a loan more easily. Rattle: a short, sharp noise. The old car makes a loud rattle. Rattle: a baby's toy that makes noise when shaken. The baby shakes the rattle and smiles. Rattlesnake: a poisonous snake that makes a rattling sound with its tail. The rattlesnake hides under the rocks in the desert. Raw, not cooked. She eats raw vegetables in a salad. Raw, not processed. The factory uses raw materials for production. Read out: to speak the words on a page. The teacher reads out the names of the students. Readable, easy to read. The book has a clear font and is very readable. Unreadable: the handwriting is unreadable, so I can't understand the letter. Real estate: property like houses or land. He invests in real estate to make money. Realtor: a person who sells houses and land. The realtor shows us 3 apartments today. Realize: to suddenly understand something. He realizes he forgot his wallet at home. Reason: the cause or explanation for something. She gives a good reason for being late. Reassure: to make someone feel less worried. The doctor reassures the patient about the test results. Rebuild: to build again after damage. They rebuild the bridge after the flood. Recall: to bring back to mind. I recall the day we first met. Recall: to take back a product with problems. The company recalls cars with engine issues. Receive: to get something given or sent. She receives a letter from her friend. Recipe: for success. A method to achieve something. Hard work is a recipe for success. Reckless: not caring about danger. He drives in a reckless way on the highway. Reclaim: to take back something. She reclaims her lost luggage at the airport. Recognize: to know someone or something you saw before. I recognize her face from school. Recognize: to acknowledge someone's effort or achievement. The company recognizes his hard work with an award. Recognize: to admit or formally acknowledge a mistake. The manager recognizes the mistake in the report. She admits his mistake and apologizes. Recommend: we use recommend to suggest something as good or suitable for someone, like recommending a book, a restaurant, or a wine for dinner. I recommend this red wine for dinner. Reconsider: to think again about a decision. He reconsiders his plan after hearing advice. Record: written or stored information. The hospital keeps a record of all patients. Recover: to get back something lost. She recovers her phone from the taxi. Recover: to get better after illness. He recovers quickly from the flu. Red number: debt or negative balance. The company shows red numbers this year. Red light: a traffic signal to stop. He gets a fine for running a red light. Redo, to do something again. He redoes her homework to fix mistakes. Red tape, official rules that cause delay. The project is late because of government red tape. Reef, a line of rocks or coral under the sea. We see colorful fish near the coral reef. Reel, a round object for winding film, thread, or fishing line. He rolls the film on the reel. Reel, a short video clip shared on platforms like Instagram. She posts a funny reel on Instagram every day. Refill, to fill again. I refill my water bottle at the fountain. My pen ran out of ink, so I bought an ink refill. Refuel, to put fuel again. The plane stops to refuel before the next flight. Refresh, to make cool or give energy again. A shower refreshes me after a long day. Refund, money returned when something is given back. She gets a refund for the broken shoes. Refuse, to say no to something. He refuses the job offer politely because the salary is too low. Reject, to refuse to accept. The company rejects the loan application. The machine rejects the old coin. Regard, to think about something in a certain way. She regards him as a close friend. Please give my regards to your family. Register, to sign up officially. Students register for classes online. Registry, an official list or record where information is stored, or a special list created for a particular purpose, such as gifts for a wedding or a baby. Their names are in the wedding registry. The birth registry records all babies born in the city. The company is listed in the business registry. They put their wedding gifts on a registry. Regret, to feel sorry about something. He regrets not studying for the exam. Regular, happening often or in a pattern. He is a regular customer at the cafe. Relapse, a return of an illness or bad habit. After feeling better, he has a relapse of the flu. Relate, to connect one thing with another. I can relate this story to my own life. Related, connected in some way, the two problems are closely related. Relationship, a romantic connection between two people. They have a happy relationship. In English, relationship usually means a romantic connection, but it can also describe family, friendship, or professional connections. They have a good relationship with their neighbors. The company wants a good relationship with its clients. Release, to set free. The police release the prisoner. Release, to make something available to the public. The company will release a new smartphone next month. The studio releases a new movie in summer. Release, to stop holding, controlling, or keeping something so that it can move freely or no longer be restricted. Release the button to stop the machine. Release the brakes before moving the vehicle. Open the valve slowly to release pressure. Relic, an old object from the past. The museum shows relics from ancient times. Remind, to make someone think of or not forget something. She reminds him about the meeting tomorrow. Remember means to keep something in your mind, but remind means to help someone else not forget. Please remind me to lock the door when I leave the office. Well done. Keep practicing. Try to use them in sentences, and you will remember them more easily. See you in the next video.